In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify products to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to find the right TikTok Shop app, and how to start the installation so you can sync your catalog with ease. First, make sure you're signed into your Shopify admin with a role that can install apps from your Shopify home. We'll begin right inside the dashboard. This is the main control center for your store and where all the settings live. From here, head to Settings. You'll find it in the lower left corner of your admin. It's the gear icon. Settings is where Shopify keeps everything that affects your store's configuration, including your apps and sales channel connections. Inside Settings, choose Apps. This area lists the tools already installed on your store and provides the doorway to adding new ones. If you manage multiple apps, this page helps you keep them organized and updated. Next, click the Shopify App Store button. This opens the official marketplace where you can safely find and install apps that extend your store's functionality. If a pop-up or new tab appears, that's normal. Shopify often opens the App Store in a separate window. Once the App Store loads, use the search bar and type TikTok Shop. Be as specific as possible so you see integrations designed to sync products, inventory, and orders between Shopify and TikTok Shop. You'll get a list of results, and you can scan the titles, descriptions, and ratings to find the best fit. From the results, select TikTok Shop Integration. SPL. This app is built for connecting your Shopify catalog to TikTok Shop, handling the essential syncs you'll need. On the app's page, take a quick moment to review the overview, key features, and recent reviews, and glance at the permissions it requests. This helps you understand exactly what it will access during the sync. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show a confirmation screen outlining the permissions and any billing details if applicable. Approve the installation to proceed. The process only takes a moment, and you'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin once it's complete. That's the core flow to get the integration installed. A quick tip before you continue in the app: ensure your product titles, images, variants, and inventory levels in Shopify are accurate, because whatever's in your catalog is what will sync over. If you don't see the install button or the App Store link, double check your user permissions or try refreshing your browser. You've now reached the point where the TikTok Shop integration, SPL app, can guide you through the remaining in-app setup. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your Shopify store ready for TikTok Shop.